So we've talked about expanding these square binomials. So now we have to talk about factoring them. And what we have learned is that a plus b, or a minus c, squared is equal to a squared plus b, plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So now we have the expanded form equation. We have 9m squared minus 12m plus 4. We are being asked to factor this. So let's see if this is a perfect square binomial. So in a square binomial, when we multiplied out our factored form, we always got perfect squares in the first and last term, and the middle term was linear, was 2 times the a times the b value. And we always had trinomials, right? So let's see. Is this a trinomial? Yes, it has 3 terms. It's a trinomial. Is the first term and the last term, are they perfect squares? Are they perfect squares? Yes. So now we're going to check. What's the a? What's the b value? So the a value is not 9am squared. Remember, the a value is right here. It's the square root of this.
3m.
3m. What is the b value? 2. So the question is, does 2ab equal 12m? So let's double check. So we have 2 times, what's our a value? 3m. What's our b value?
2.
What's 3 times 2 times 2? 12. We have 12m equals 12m. Is this a square binomial? It's a square binomial, so therefore I know the answer is simply your a value. You borrow this sign minus your b value squared, and that's it. Let's try. What happened to the 4? -2 times -2 is +4. So let's try this again. For this problem right here, do we have a binomial? Yes, we do. Sorry, do we have a trinomial? Yes. Okay. Is this term, are this term and this term perfect squares? Yes. What is your a value? X. What is your b value? So the question is, does 2ab equal 6? X. Let's double check. So we have 2. What's your a value?
X.
What's your b value? So 2x times 3 is 6x. It checks out. So we know this is a binomial square. So our answer is going to be what? Hannah? X minus 3 squared. That's it. You're done.
Yay.
So this is a nice special case scenario that makes things faster. Let's double check this last one. I'm going to erase what we already have. Nathan, I'm sorry, but it is online. It is all on video. So is this a trinomial?
Yes.
Yes. Is this a perfect square? What would the a value be then? Is that a perfect square?
Yes.
What's the square root of 1? So let's see. Does 2 times a times b equal 5y? Let's find out. So we have 2 times what? Times 1. 2 times 5y times 1 is? Does not equal 5y. Therefore, you can't factor it as a perfect square binomial. So in this case, since the 2ab did not work out, the answer is prime, because you can't factor it. And that's it.